All of the following are true for Sparsh campaign except A. Launched in 2013 on Anti-Leprosy Day for its awareness. B. Program for orphan and vulnerable children. C. Empower local communities to sensitize people for stigma and discrimination against leprosy. D. To promote community participation. Now the question is, all the following are true except. So here in this question all the three are true except one. See, the Sparsh campaign was initiated to spread awareness about leprosy and to tackle the stigma and discrimination associated with it. It was launched on Anti-Leprosy Day in the year 2013. One of the objectives was to empower local communities to sensitize people for stigma and discrimination against leprosy. The campaign also aimed to promote community participation. However, it is not a program for orphan and vulnerable children alone. Orphan and vulnerable children with leprosy definitely are included, but this is not only for them. So that is the correct answer.